Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Clipper CMS on Debian version 11.3. The Clipper Content Management System is a fully featured open source CMS related under the GPL license. It can be used to design websites and blogs and create other complex web applications and dynamic applications. First I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next I will install the Clipper CMS. The Clipper CMS installed before we have need for the LAMP setup. I have already installed for the LAMP setup. So now I am going to start the Apache web server using systemctl command. Next I am going to status from the Apache web server. The Apache web server can be active state. Next I am going to install the PHP modules dependency packages. Next I am going to create the Clipper CMS database. First I will go to the MySQL database. The database name is Clipper. Then use the Clipper database. Next create the user from the Clipper database. Next grant the all privileges from the Clipper database. Next flush the privileges. Then exit the Clipper database. Next I am going to download the Clipper CMS. Next extract the Clipper CMS. Next rename the Clipper CMS directory. Next give the ownership and permission to the Clipper directory. Next create the virtual host from the Clipper CMS. Now I am going to enter the virtual host server name under document root directory. Then save and exit. Next disable the default site access. Next enable the site access. Next, enable the rewrite module. Once it is completed, restart the Apache web server using systemctl command. Now I am going to the host entry. Enter the server name and IP address. Then save and exit. Finally, I am restart the Apache web server. Then go to the browser and ping the domain name. This is the installation page for the Clipper CMS. Now I am going to install. Then choose your language. The welcome page for the Clipper CMS. Now I am going to new installation. So I am going to next. You have enter from the database information. Database login name. Then database password. The database connection has been passed. Next, create the test database. Next, I will enter the default manager site. So administration email address. Administration password. Then confirm password. Then go to next. This page will be select the date and time. Then install. This page will be accept the license. So agree to the license terms and install. Then close the pages. So this page will be log into as admin. Enter the admin password. It will be show the dashboard page of the Clipper CMS. By this installation process for the Clipper CMS on the Debian version 11.3 on come to end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.